Brooks exclusive.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Brandy Giz, and this makes like what, video number 2 that I filmed. So if you see this shirt in the other video, know that I filmed in the same day. So let's get this rolling. Okay, so I was sent some shoes from Nishoes Kicks 8. Make sure I'm saying that right. I'm going to put it on the screen for you guys. They were so kind enough to reach out to me and wanted me to collab with them and share with you all some shoes. So they gifted me some shoes, and they are the Nike swoosh, and they also gave me a coupon code, so stay tuned. You know, if you might see some shoes. If you don't like these shoes, you might see some other kind of shoes that you're interested in picking out for either your daughter, your son, your nephew, your niece, yourself, your husband, whatever the case may be. You might not be interested in some gym shoes, but I guarantee you somebody that you know might be. So these are the shoes that they sent me, which is the NIKE Air Prestos, and I wear a 9.5, 10 in girls, so or women's. So I opted to get the 8.5 in men, and yeah, this is the box that it came in, and it has the Nike on it, and it came in plastic like so. I'm gonna take it out the plastic, and these are the gym shoes. I like them because although they are like men's shoes, these are like girly shoes. I can wear these to work because they're black, and they are good for like either running, they're good for walking, and they are stylish. So I like because the shoelace has actually on there. Let me come up closer so you can see. Okay, so on the shoelace it just says shoelaces, and I'm going to, yeah, so they're good. My camera want to act up today, but okay, yeah, so you see that it says shoelaces, and then you have the Nike on the tongue of the shoe where it says Nike. On the back it has Air, and this one actually comes off so that you can tighten them up a little bit. But it's just so stylish, you guys. I like everything about the shoe. Very nice, all black. You have a little bit of like a ivory. The Nike sign is ivory, and this is how the tongue is made. And you have what they call this, the, yeah, and this you have some writing on the side as well. I don't know what it says. Yeah, I don't know what the writing is, but this is how the shoes are made. I'm gonna turn it around so that you can see. And what is this tag dangling? It just says made in China, and that is about it. And in the inside sole it just has the X, which is the 10. Yeah, and on the side it has your shoe info. Yeah, so yeah guys, and this little orange tag is supposed to be on there, but for the most part, you guys, I do like these shoes. I tried it on when I first got them, and I like them. They're really nice. So I'm going to try them on for you. I'm going to take the other one out the plastic. They gave me a coupon code, and again, this is nishoes.com. It is $15 off with my coupon code, which is BG. You just put that in the coupon. I'm sorry, you put that in the for the coupon code, and you'll save $15 off. And I'm going to give you their WhatsApp information and their email information, and let's see, yeah, that is about it. So I'm going to list everything down in the description section for you guys. I'm going to try on these shoes for you. They look like this. They are so cute. Okay, very comfortable. So if you're my size, if you wear a 10, you want to get an 8.5 in men if you decide you want to order. They also have these shoelaces if you want to get, you know. Oh, let me get it. Okay. So if you want to give it as a gift, they also even put in the paper. If you want to get, I like stuff like this because, you know, what if I want to give this to somebody? I can wrap it up as a gift. And yeah. So they have these orange shoelaces if you're bold, and it still has shoelaces on there written. And I think that'll give it a pop of color for the fall. Don't you think? That'll be cute. So you can actually, you know, wear both of these shoelaces. But for now, we are going to do just the all black. So I'm going to try these on for you guys, and you tell me what y'all think, okay? So I'm going to put them on. I'm not going to need to stop the camera. I'm just going to let it roll. I'm going to put these bad boys on without socks. Oh yeah, they are definitely comfortable. It's a lot of room. I got the perfect size. I love tennis shoes, especially while I'm at work, because to me it's just more comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Or you can actually wear these running errands. You can wear these going anywhere. They're cute. They're stylish. And let me show y'all. Okay, beauty, so these are the shoes. Aren't they cute? They are so, they're so cute. They're like what I like to wear. Very, very comfortable. Okay, my love, so I want to thank Nishoes 8 for sending me these here gym shoes to share with you all. Like I said, you can save $15 off if you're interested in these shoes. They have a bunch of other shoes and, you know, off-whites if you're interested in that, that you can purchase. And yeah, I like these. These are really nice. I'm going to probably tap in with you all maybe a month from now and let you all know how the shoe held up. If you're interested in it, I will definitely come back and share with you all that. So with that being said, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this here video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, have a blessed one. Love y'all. Bye.